Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, we got a big day today. Finally got done cutting beans and we're about to go pick some cotton. Well, obviously we're not about to go pick some cotton today. Got to making this video and found out that my opening clip was corrupted along with a few other clips. So had to do what they call in the film industry a pickup, recreation of it. And well, obviously the weather is not cooperating today, so we'll just have to make do. But anyway, the other day when we got started, this is where my picker was sitting. I climbed up on it and we went to the field. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. There's a few other clips I want to include the video. Unfortunately, they were corrupted too, so be a little bit shorter than what we wanted, but I still think it'll be a good video. So. Well, this is going to be my view for at least the next 2 weeks right here. And here we are. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Get the in-rows picked. Got a place to put our module builder. First we gotta raise the basket though. Alright, fire it up. Get our water pressure dialed in. Alright, first cotton of the year going in the basket. I hope we got everything ready to go. Heads are a little tight from rebuilding. They need some running in to loosen it up. Pulling pretty hard on the engine right now. I'm gonna get down here and check, make sure all the spindles are cleaning, not getting any cotton wrapped up on them. Yeah, those look good. 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 Alright, we got everything set on the picker. Actually, I had to adjust the row spacing. We didn't have it on 38-inch rows. I don't know what happened. Anyway, we're going to dump this in the module builder, and then we'll start a couple of calibration loads for the yield monitor. We're going to have to dump those in the cotton trailer and take it to the gin and weigh it. That's the only way we got of weighing the cotton. Kelly's moving the module builder into place. We'll dump this half a load we got on her, and then we'll dump a full load in the cotton trailer. almost forgot. Got to put Old Glory up. Alright, time for a calibration load. Well, guys and gals, that's the first calibration load, and just a little FYI, the cotton right there, I'm guessing it's probably about 3.5 bales of cotton. That'll be all the cotton one or two of you will use in your entire lifetime. Well, she just barely did have enough clearance. Alright, we got the second calibration loaded, completed, and dumped in the trailer. Going to haul it off and weigh it. And then we're going to bring the trailer back so we've got something for kids to play in. For those of y'all that never grown up around cotton, there's not much more fun thing as a kid to do than to play in a cotton trailer. Alright, let's see if my road track works. Look at that, it's working like a charm. Hasn't worked for 3 years, finally got it fixed. Ah, my road track works, yay!
I'm gonna turn off this damn radio if you don't stop yelling!
If you only knew my level of excitement right now.
Stop yelling, I'm gonna start using this thing like Carter.
Alright, we're finally rolling now, man. We got everything calibrated. We had a few little gremlins we had to work through, get some things adjusted. Got all our in-rows picked. Now we're out in the heart of the field. We're in some fine cotton. Picking clean. Everything is good. Everything is working right. Picking cotton is definitely one of my happy places. This is what I grew up doing. We didn't actually start growing any grain until I was about 22 years old. So growing up, all I knew was cotton and picking cotton and ginning cotton. And every year when I get to crank the picker up and go pick our cotton, it always puts a smile on my face. There's nothing else like it. I sure wish y'all could smell the cotton field. There's nothing like the smell of cotton being picked. Now go ahead and take a moment and enjoy the sounds of harvest. Oh, look at that sunset. What a pretty sunset tonight. Wow. Beautiful sunset over a beautiful field of cotton. Sometimes it's just nice to be able to appreciate the small things in life. The good Lord gives us plenty of things to appreciate if we just take the time to look around and notice them. And I said, let there be light. Well, apparently the lights on one module builder quit working. Zach's over there trying to get them back going again. So we're down a module builder for now. Can't pack cotton if you can't see. We're still rolling on along. We got about 4 acres left in this field and we'll be done. I think we'll have enough time probably move across the road and try and get a spot cut out for the module builders in the morning before we shut down and go home. Alright, last load of this farm off to the module builder. I'm going to get a little splash of water, just enough to get me through getting the next farm laid out, and then we'll call it a night. You know something irks me about cotton pickers? They've only got 3 gears. You got first gear, which maximum speed of 4 miles an hour. You got second gear, which is a maximum speed of 4.5 miles an hour. And you got third gear, which is road speed. So when you're just trying to get around the field, 4.5 miles an hour max. Why can't they put a fourth gear on here and let third gear be up to like 8 miles an hour to where we can actually get somewhere without wasting a lot of time? I hope this thing actually starts up. Oh, it's alive! So how many modules did we get? 1, 2, then we're gonna have 2 huge ones in the module builder, so 4 modules total plus a cotton trailer. So probably looking about 72 bales total off of 33 acres. Pretty dang good. And we're just going to move right across the street to the next field, right over here. In case you're wondering, yes, I do have my seatbelt on. Wide load coming through. What's up, ugly? What's up, ugly?
You didn't let me come ride with you, so.
What are we doing today?
We are pulling off the last module of the day, and we're tarping it. So when it rains,
We'll get the dog off the tarp.
whenever it rains, occasionally, whenever we're home sleeping, it won't ruin the cotton. It's not my fault. It was Grandpa's.
It was your side of the tarp that came off.
So you didn't latch it good.
I didn't even latch it.
Grandpa didn't latch it good. So was Grandpa.
All right, jump. Jump, Carter. Oh, don't be a sissy. Jump.
Oh, he's been a sissy all daggum night. Come on, boy.
I got it.
Slid down all night. Hey,
Hey,
how am I supposed to reach that?
it's like 3 feet tall, Carter.
Hang on to that corner and come off. Look at all that.
Look at that mess you made.
All that cotton.
This is a tall one here.
Well, I was like, you gonna get rerouted and you gonna get in the hood real quick.
Well, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have a good day. Signing off, Carter.